Hey everybody, what's happening? I'm in the process of draining all the antifreeze out of my radiator because I got to change the radiator in it. So, hang tight, folks. I took the cap off of where they open up the line there and air push it out a whole lot faster. Get my battery cable line pulled out of the way. Crossover hose for the radiator, and then my line for my windshield squirters. Hang tight, folks. Well, as you can hear, she's still draining. But that's a handy little tool right there. The M12 Milwaukee battery impact ratchet. Handy little tool. Put my bolts back in the hole. Let's see. Take the intercooler bolts out. Oh, almost got my toes. Well, we got that loose. All right. Get my clip tool here. Yeah. Hang on. I had to use both hands, so I didn't want to break my clip. It holds my hood latch cable on there. Yeah. Got about a half a bucket. All right. Now we get to use the impact ratchet. Whew. Don't want to come out. There we go. It had thread sealing on there. As you can see, I got it off. Had to use both hands on that one. See, I'm a big fan about putting bolts back. keep you from guessing what boat went where, which I have a pretty good memory. You know, from all my years of doing paint body work, I do pretty good about putting my bolts back where they go. Hey, keep on. I might have to get another bucket. So there's that. Gotta take that 13 out. And that one, y'all can see where there's a crack right there. See the crack? Let's see, 13 millimeter. Get it back where I can get some. There we go. And that J-nut wants to move. As long as the bolt back's out. Yeah, it's starting to turn freely now. There's one. Over to the other. Oop. There the other. And take this cooler. See what we're going. Like it, yep, slides up and out the way. Uh-oh. Lines have got me. Yeah, hanging tonight, folks. All right, folks. Yeah, looks like I'm gonna have to wrestle with this side. It don't want to completely come out because it's got the lines going to it, and it's not very much movement there. But I do got it loose now. I gotta take out these. It's around the outside of the radiator. This is some kind of guard. One bolt. I don't know if it may have one on the further down, closer to the bottom. Let's see. Got this one here. Uh-oh. I think my bolt fell down that hole. So I'm going to get my inspection camera out. Yeah, let's see if it moves. All right. Ain't tight, folks. All right, folks. Broke out my video camera here. Stick it down the hole. Yeah, let's see. Hang tight, folks. As you can see, there's my bolt. So now I gotta fish it out. Lucky, I got one now. So we're gonna try to get it out with that. So everybody, finally got it. I'm gonna find a different place to put these bolts. Man, tell you what, I like this video camera, this video scope, but I wish I had it to where I had one where that end articulates around with the button. All it does is the brightness and zoom in, zoom out. That's all it does. It's a handy little tool, don't get me wrong. But some cases you need the end where to swivel around, get all them little nooks and crannies that you're trying to get into, you know. It's a handy little tool. But it sounds like it's done draining. I'm sure it still got some residual in that lower line over there, so when I take it off, I'm gonna make sure I got the bucket under it. I washed my bucket out. I'm gonna look it and see if it's clean. So bear with me, folks. Hey, folks, you can see I gotta take these those power steering cooler bracket bolts are loose. Sorry, folks. There we go. Trying to hold the camera and work at the same time. They put some long-winded bolts in there. Yeah, you get the drift. I got one here and one right there. Update, folks. You can tell I'm kind of a little bit out of breath. I'm kind of pushed myself getting that bumper off of there. I got my intercooler loose. I'm pulling this stuff out. It'd be a whole lot easier for me to deal with that radiator, because I don't have the up pressure I need to get that radiator up and over everything. So I'm doing everything I can. I hope I don't have to break this AC system down, but that's the way it's looking. So and while I get radiator out, I can inspect my fan and everything, make sure everything's good on it. I'm slowly but surely getting it. So I'm getting kind of fatigued right now. I'm dealing with this muscle disease. I pretty much done met my stopping point for today. I'm sorry, folks. But you guys find anything helpful? You got a question about anything? Leave me a comment. If you like these videos, give me a thumbs up. Y'all have a blessed day. Y'all stay safe out there. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Later.